Morning, boys and girls. Right, today we're looking at negative numbers. Now, you haven't done negative numbers yet in your previous grade, so this is the first time. Although I did speak to you a little bit about it in term 1. I told you, you never say you can't. You can always say 2 minus 1 is minus 1. Right, now if you look at a number line, 0 is my neutral number, right? To the right, it's my normal whole numbers, as you can see. And now to the left, I have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, continuing onwards. So you can literally say that the opposite of 1 is minus 1. The opposite of minus 2 is 2. Right, so that is about it, about the introduction to negative numbers. If you look on the worksheet that you are supposed to do today, it's worksheet 105 on page 90 and 91. Here you can read a little bit about it. It says what is the temperature on a hot sunny day. Now, a hot sunny day for us, it's 30 degrees Celsius, a nice 31 degrees Celsius. And then a cold day for us is anything under 10 degrees Celsius. But a very, very cold day, like we had just when you came back to school. We went into the minus 1, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now, a temperature is a very nice example of showing you negative numbers, because temperatures go in the positive and into the negative numbers. Now, at number 1, I asked, write the appropriate temperature for the stated weather conditions. Now you just estimate, you guess, right? There's not a specific answer for that. Number 2, where will the money mentioned in each sentence go, in the negative or positive column? You are now just going to give me a tick which one. So Peter 100 Rand in a draw. That will be a positive thing. So you're just going to tick. Peter gave his twin sister half of his prize. Now that will be it's a good thing that he is doing, but it will be negative because he is giving away half of his prize. Cindy lost a purse with 20 Rand in it. That will again be a negative. And you will just continue that now. At number 3, it says complete the questions below after completing the table in question 2. So literally you're just going to answer. 4, we've got a bit of complete these number lines. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. That's rather easy, guys. 5, complete the following. 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 10, minus 8, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. Now, if you struggle to answer this, please draw yourself a number line, or then use the number line that I gave you to fill in the answers. And then, if you are done, somewhere at the back, you can check for 105, and that will be your memo that you can now mark it. And please do corrections. Don't go and write all the answers from the memo. That's not really going to help you. Remember, at the end of the day, you are still going to write the exam about all of this work at the end of the year. So you need to understand it as well. Right, and that's your lesson for Monday. Thank you very much.